Extreme knows when the tropical storm season will be quiet or not, but right now it is look like will be a little bit quiet. You can kind of see where the area I was going to talk about. You see this orange area, but I think you can kind of see better map on here to better explain. You see in this purple region, that's where the dry air it is kicking in still for right now. But I thinking will be a little bit changing about that in the future on the European model. I can show what is going on right now. Look like it. Right now it looks like a little bit quiet and a little bit smoothing, but eventually a little bit more quiet, a little bit cooler air in take place, and it will be, but eventually a low pressure forming eventually on like May 30th. Right now, look like there's gonna be two of them, but so far as it is going to be as the track, we don't know what is going lies ahead of that track will going to look like it for the next couple of weeks. We do keep an eye on that in case a little bit much more stronger or different cold direction look like it's going to be. We should keep an eye on it. This is lots of little low pressure by the model give us different models. The guy said, oh, where's this low pressure going to go to? And then this will tell us where going direction. You can kind of see where I'm going to talk about it. Because you can see there's two areas we need to keep an eye on for this tropical storm season, or known as the hurricane season, as is known as sample as is as well. We're going to talk about the Atlantic Ocean and North America. Well, as where's the going to be going on the North American side, as where's going to be lots of rain, it's around Lake Mississippi, but will eventually a little bit some areas will be more precipitation like around Texas, but more areas around moisture around Florida actually will going to keep it up as really good moisture will be much more kicking in some areas. We need to keep an eye on it in case more flooding each area going to look like. This was going to look like in like each 24 hours, like start like 8 o'clock and also all the way until around 9, 10, like August 26th. But more rain will be much more precipitation around Oklahoma on August 28th. That will we need to keep an eye on, and also will rain up more in August. More rain look like go head towards, then will be peaking out, slowly weakening out. Then August 31, we need to keep an eye on, and then it's going to go away. Then we need to keep an eye on what is going on the hurricane season. You think that's not going to be over yet, but we not talk about going on with the temperature. So some areas will be a lot of warm area around North Canada that will brings the cold air to the northeast a little bit. You kind of see what I'm going to talk about. The heat difference will going to switch, and the areas will be much more cooler. I will going to show you about that. Will eventually show you. You can see it right now at September 1st. You can see the very cold air will going throw in as well, and it's going to throw in really good area, really going to be good chilling temperature, but actually no, it's cool temperature, but it's we need to keep an eye on it because in the case Maryland will be a little bit cooler area to live because cooler temperatures as well. We need to keep an eye on each area for the temperatures and weather at the same time. But is the weather knows temperatures different no as. But we need to keep an eye on it as well. Well, no as but at least around Canada will be a little bit warmer, will be around September, but a little bit cooler air will be going to stay in around 50s area, some areas around Maryland, around Pennsylvania and New York. That's what I was trying to mean about it as well. Now we're going to see what is going on with the dry air and with the warm air as well. We're going to see what is going on with the for example, area with the precipitation area as the temperature will know as will be a little bit cooler area will going to pick up again on September will be going to be damper area as well as the temperature signatures with a little bit cooler area with the temperature in the zone. We need to keep on which area will be much more average precipitation or known as the drier area known as, but we need to keep on both precipitation with the temperature, which and also topical. But that's what I'm going to talk about. But I think that's it, and that's all. But extreme weather out here.